Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Dickinson County in Virginia until 3:30 p.m. At 2:47 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was located 29 miles west of Trammell, or near Whitesburg, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, McClure and Nora. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Sunday evening for Central Virginia. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 9 p.m. Sunday evening for Central Kentucky and Southeast Ohio and Central West Virginia. Please report hail or strong wind to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. You may also report severe weather by posting your report to the Charleston, West Virginia National Weather Service Facebook page or by using the Twitter hashtag NWSRLX. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following county: Dickinson, Virginia. This statement is for the following county: